So this Spabot caught your eye, right? Caught my eye too, and I will tell you, I was lucky enough to have Polaris send this to me to do a test for you, but they gave me no instructions. They're like, we invented this great Spabot, which I had never ever heard of this as an option before. And as you can see, big pool, have lots of robots that clean the pool. Big spa, I have nothing but me to clean that spa, till now. So I was so excited about this as an idea. Couple things that you should know. It should take about an hour to clean the spa. It has a lithium-ion battery. Now I haven't run it yet, but from my understanding, it does these two really unique things. Instead of climbing walls like the pool robots do, this floats itself and then using spa nav kind of gets on top of the seats and all those things to scrub them up, scrub them really good. And then when it's done, after an hour of running, it floats itself again so you can pick it up and out of the spa. Don't have to start with the hook and digging it out, all that kind of stuff. This should be so much easier, and what a game changer, right? So there's only one thing left to do. We got to send it out to sea and let it clean the spa, see how that goes. While it's going, I have one more thing I wanted to bring to your attention. Well, maybe 1.5 things. Number one, we're here in southern Florida. The pool is in a cage, so you will not see a whole lot of debris, leaves, that kind of stuff. But there is always sand and that kind of stuff, which is normally very difficult for these robots to pick up and collect and that kind of stuff. So this will be a really good test. The other thing that's a good test is my spa, in a relative sense, is huge with really high seats, and it's a concrete spa, so it's not curved at all, right? It's like very kind of square, the edges of the seats. So it'll be interesting to see how that works. You're watching this go on right now. I haven't seen it yet. It's working in the background. What do you say we go over there, see if it's floating, and see what it's actually captured? So I've got to tell you, I am so legitimately excited about this because for whatever reason, our hot tub here seems to get a lot of sand in it. It's not always the most comfortable stuff to sit in, and I don't like cleaning it, so I am hoping this little guy has done its job. I love the way it floats to the top and comes over here for you to pull it out. That is awesome. Let's take a look real quick and see what we find in here. Oh, there's a whole freaking pile of sand in here. I'm not surprised that there's a pile of sand in here. I am a little surprised how much this thing picked up. So let me show you this. This is right here on the cover. Get it so there's not glare. Look at all the sand residue here. Look at that. Now let me show you the basket. I want to be careful not to spill it out at the same time. Look at that pile of sand. Look at the pile of sand here, all in there, but that is a giant pile of sand in its 1.5 hours of cleaning for the very first time. That is crazy. So I have to say, I was a little skeptical, excited about the idea about being able to clean my hot tub and have the sand not, can I say on my butt? Not have this on the back of my legs when I'm sitting in there. So really excited about all that. I wasn't exactly sure how it was going to move around. I knew it kind of like floated up and landed on the seats. I saw it climb right up the wall. You've seen the video to see how it moved around in there. It absolutely did a phenomenal job. The ease of use and the quality of it is ridiculously amazing. I mean, the brand is outstanding. It is so easy to pop it open, clean the basket, recharge it, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to have to give this an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you want to keep your hot tub clean or your spa clean, this is a perfect option for you. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.